jeepney modernization, in fact, bukas na bukas magkakaroon kami ng hearing tungkol dyan dahil nakita ko maraming nabibihali mga jeepney driver. As a matter of fact, sabi ng iba, hinuli-huli daw sila, parang sa binibigyan ng deadline. Samantala yung sa route planning, wala namang deadline, pero yung sa consolidation, binibigyan sila ng deadline. So, dumadaing sila. And I'm asking DOTR kung pwede humingi ng another extension pa sa Malacanang. At kapag naibigay yan, hopefully by then, may maayos lahat ng gusto.
Sir, how would you grade the performance of the President sa Manila setup?
So far, he's doing good. So far, so good.
1 to 10, sir.
He's doing very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sen, any comment po sa speech ni SP kanina?
Ni SP, gusto ko, Manuel Quezon, kinote niya, maganda yung speech niya at walang inantok sa amin. Lahat gising na gising dahil napakaganda yung pagkagawa ng speech.
Okay, dun sa Chacha, hindi mo na tayo.
No comment.